It was all like positive, so we just wanted them to grow up with the Irish language.
As a parent, I wanted to give my children the opportunity for the best education that they could have.
The extracurricular activities were a massive, massive part of the decision-making process for us as parents.
And the number game, probably Martine was the same, very small numbers at the school. We looked at the Irish medium and kind of got the feeling straight away that the numbers was the first thing, it would be more one-to-one.
When it came to deciding which school we wanted to send the children to, it was quite an easy decision for us to make when we looked around. There are many great preschool settings in the local area.
Sianna, agus go fight the gran. How was she? Sianna, hark agus Carsusi.
I chose to send my children to Naíscoil Carntahar because I did A-level Irish and I always wanted my children to be educated then through the Irish medium.
Generally, the more we chatted to people that had children, I have a brother, his daughters had it, and on the back of that, it became a very easy decision.
I have a brother who lives in Switzerland, so I have a niece and nephew over there. They speak Swiss, German, Italian, French, English so fluently, and it's just ridiculous that we're not exposing our kids to the same sort of upbringing.
We just seen how the other three get on and they adapted, and they're like wee sponges really. So it was just amazing to see how they picked up the Irish language.
Isn't it just fantastic to be able to give your children a gift that's linked to their heritage, who we are, what we want to be, and that's not just for local Indigenous people. Everybody should get the chance to learn Irish, and so going to Naíscoil is one of the best ways to give your child the best start.